Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to my channel. This is class 8 in English speaking skills series. In today's class, we will explore some more advanced topic to further enhance your English speaking skills. Let's get started. In today's lesson, we will cover narrating stories and events, expressing hopes and wishes using phrasal verbs in conversation. Let's begin by learning how to narrate stories and events. This is important for sharing personal experiences and engaging in storytelling. To narrate a story or event, you can use past tense verbs and time expression. For example, last weekend I went to the beach. Yesterday I met an old friend. Use sequence words to help structure your story. First, then, after that, finally. For example, first we arrived at the beach, then we had a picnic. After that, we went swimming. Finally, we watched the sunset. Let's practice narrating a story together. Repeat after me. Last weekend, I went to the beach. Yesterday, I met an old friend. Next, let's learn how to express hopes and wishes. This is useful for talking about things you want to happen in the future or things you wish were different. To express hopes, you can use I hope it does not rain tomorrow. To express wishes, you can use I wish I were taller. I wish I could speak English. Let's practice these together. Repeat after me. I wish I were taller. I wish I could speak English. I hope it does not rain tomorrow. Now, let's learn how to use phrasal verbs in conversation. Phrasal verbs are verbs combined with prepositions or adverbs that create new things. Some common phrasal verbs are look after, give up, find out, get along, pick up. For example, can you look after my cat while I am away? Don't give up on your dreams. I need to find out more information. Let's practice using these phrasal verbs in sentences. Repeat after me. Can you look after my cat while I am away? Don't give up on your dream. I need to find out more information. Great. Wow! Everyone, today we learned how to narrate stories and events, express hopes and wishes, and use phrasal verbs in conversation. Remember to practice these phrases with your friends and family to improve your English speaking skill. Thank you for joining today's class. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more lessons. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next class. Bye.